morning, forms 3 to 6. Hope you had a great day Monday. Some nice batting and some looking at hitting the ball. Today, it's supposed to be a nice day again, so we're going to revert back to our bowling and let's work on that a little bit more. Last lesson at bowling, we looked at our hand position, making sure we had our fingers either side of the ball, the space between our fingers. We looked at a bit of a higher release and getting that nice action through. Today, we are going to work on making sure we've got a high arm position and pulling through. Secondly, trying to get in a straight line as we go towards the stumps. And then we're going to continue to work on that nice straight arm movement. Before we get onto that, we're going to do a little warm up and then I'm going to get into the first drill. So for the warm up, you need to set 2 cones up about 10 meters apart. Once you've done that, pause the video. Once you've done that, you're going to follow me. So we're going to start slow. We're going to walk to the first cone, stretch out. So today for our bowling, we need to make sure our shoulders, our upper back, our deltoids, biceps and triceps are loose. So we're just going to start by walking, start speeding that walk up, stretch our back out and pull it down. As we start coming across this side, we're going to start moving our arms up and down. When we hit this cone, a couple of squats because we still need to get our arms warm. Again, pumping our arms up and down to get warm. Back to our first cone, nice squat. From here, we are going to push our arms down, up, down and up. And this is warming up our shoulders and our trapeziuses, which is the V muscles at the top of your neck. This time we're going to start jogging a little bit. As we get to here, we're going to practice our bowling action once, twice. Slow jog back to the second cone. Again on our spot, bowling action once, twice. We're going to start speeding up now. When we get to here, arms going forward a bit quicker. Start feeling that rotation in our shoulders and arms, getting our blood in our fingers. Jog to the second cone, arms back the other way. Should start feeling our shoulders and the chest warming up. As we jog to this one, opposites if you can. If you can't, go back to going forwards. Jog to the second cone. This time again, opposites if you can't, go backwards. Okay, this time as we jog, we're going to jog, get our jump in, get our bowling action in. Same again to the other side. Start feeling our warmth now. As we go across this time, we're going to lunge, rotate. Feel that quad and glute and hamstring all warming up. We're going to need them in a minute. Lunge, twist, 2 lunge and twists on this time. Lunge from here, bowling action, lunge on the opposite foot, bowling action, back to our start point, feeling ready to go. Alright, there's our warm up and our coaching points for the first session. Okay, so drill number 1 is going to require us to get in this position here. What I'm trying to work on here is making sure our body is upright and we're going to get that arm action through. So you can see my arm is up high and I haven't got any other moving parts. Really looking to extend up high. My wrist is straight and pushing down towards the target. So from here, all I'm going to do, I'm just going to get back in this original position. So I've got my hands, fingers either side of the ball, my hand under my chin, my arm up here. I'm then going to bring my arm forward and round, and I'm trying to get my arm as high as possible. If you can cock your wrist slightly, you will get a little bit more speed on the ball. So from here, we're going to go here and round and try and extend down. By doing this, we're going to look for up high and power coming through in our chest. All the power comes from our wrist and upper body. Once you've done this about 10 times, what I would like you to do is then set some stumps up, not the whole way down, just set them up about 6-7 meters away from you and see if you can concentrate on hitting that target. Remember those key coaching points: high arm, getting our chest on forwards or slightly pointing to the left of the target. All right? Drill 1. Okay, on to drill number 2. So we're continuing to concentrate on when we're bowling, finger position, high arm, getting that release point. But what I want us to do is now to start encouraging ourselves to go through in a straight line. We want to try and keep our body going forwards, as that's where we're going to generate more speed. If we start falling off to the side, we're going to lose that power sideways. So all we're going to start with is I have set up a channel just outside the stumps to make sure I go straight and don't deviate off to the side. We're going to start simple. We're going to slowly walk through it and make sure we stay straight. As we get closer, don't forget our jump as we get to the stumps. So we're going to walk, hit our jump, and carry on through. Once you've done that 4 or 5 times, you can narrow the channel a little bit more. And then once we're there, we're going to move on to jogging or trying to go through it a bit quicker and maintaining our speed. Don't forget the high release point on the way through.